Have you ever wanted to make a cool design with a text that you can actually click on? Well, I'm going to show you step by step how to add clickable links to your Canva designs. It's really neat and useful. But let me give you an example of when this could come in handy. Let's say you are making a PDF file with information where people can download your digital product. Wouldn't it be awesome if you could put a big text in there that links directly to where people can download the product? That way, they can easily click the text and get taken right to the website to download it. Super convenient. In fact, no matter what kind of design you are creating in Canva, adding clickable text can make it way more interactive and useful, and you will be amazed how easy it is to do it. Here, I'm going to walk you through the exact process. First, open Canva and create a new design or edit an existing one. For this example, let's say we are working on a PDF about graphic design tips. Once you have your design pulled up, it's time to add some text that you want to turn into clickable. Go to the text menu and click to add a text box. I will type out 3 graphic elements as an example. Now, here is what you need to do next. Just highlight the text you just added to clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Then, look up top. You should see a link icon that looks like a little link. Click on that icon. A box will pop up asking you to enter a web address or link. This is where you will paste the URL you want the text to link to. After entering the link, hit enter. These are the basics. Now you can apply new formatting, increase size of the text, color, and more. Just play with the options as you want. Once you've got your clickable text looking good, you are all done. The last thing you need to do is to download the design as a PDF, as this is the only format that allows you to have a clickable link. So, keep this in the mind, because when you do download it as a PNG or JPEG, the link will not work. So, I hope you have found this simple tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.